Late at night, the stillness was broken when a Ring camera captured a strange, unsettling scene. At a quiet suburban home, a woman appeared walking slowly up to the door. Her movement quite strange, with unfocused eyes. Take a look. She's slightly staring blankly at the doorbell camera. Her expression was unread, like she expecting something. After homeowner watching this video, they got frightened. So he set up long project for hoping captured more evidence. What would you do if you there? Comments below.